I've set up two Chromebooks here to demonstrate how you can use inexpensive hardware to track events on the shop floor with a single scan of an RFID. You can use barcode scanners or RFIDs. The Chromebooks that you see here are inexpensive tablets you can buy on Amazon for less than $75. I've got RFID proximity readers on each one of these, and I'm just going to start by scanning a tag here and then scan a tag here. So what I've done is just signified that this particular fictional product here has arrived at assembly bay 7. Now these can be positioned anywhere you like in your facility, hundreds, thousands of feet apart, and then connected by Wi-Fi. And when you scan an RFID tag, either one of these kinds or stickers that you might apply to boxes, they will receive an event that has a timestamp and then the location that occurred at. So this little demonstration shows just two of these Chromebooks set up that way. I'm going to now go ahead and scan on the second one, which I'm calling Shipping Dock 4, and we're going to see later that this then gets a time-stamped record for that and for that one. So let's go ahead and take a look at the details of how I've configured this to allow us to do that. I'm here in the Standard Time Cloud to show you how I set this up. You can see here that each of the RFID tags that were scanned produced timestamped records, which we call time logs. They were first scanned at Receiving Dock 2 and then moved on to Assembly Bay 7, which was that first Chromebook that I had set up on the left-hand side, and then moved to Shipping Dock 4, which was the Chromebook on the right-hand side. So each time I scanned the RFID tag, I got a new time-stamped record that had the RFID tag as well as the device where it occurred. So this allows you to know precisely where products, inventory, jobs, materials are at any given time in your shop. I did this by setting up what is called a barcode rule. And over on the right-hand side, I essentially was looking for RFID tags that started with 000 and had a character length of 10. So this is a very simple configuration. There's lots of other ways to do this, but this is what I chose to do to make this work in a very simple demonstration. When those rules were met, I was then able to create a new time log as the action for this barcode rule, and that time log is what you see here. So each time we scanned, we got a new time log record showing where the product was. So very simple configuration. Let us know if you need help getting this set up and we can work through it with you.